I tried 4 AI website builders and one stood out big time. In this video, I'll share my experience testing 4 AI website builders and which one truly stood out.
So to get started, I tried Wix ADI, Durable, TenWeb, and Framer AI. All of them promised fast site generation using AI, but the results varied a lot. Wix AI was decent, especially for small business sites, but felt outdated in design. TenWeb was great for WordPress, but users built more manual tweaking. Durable was super fast and gave you a usable site in 60 seconds, but the templates felt generic. Framer AI though stood out. The design was sleek, the editor was powerful, and the AI actually generated layouts that looked polished and professional. It let me revise sections in real time, add animations, and go live with just a few clicks. So if you care more about how your site looks and you don't want to code, Framer gave me the best balance between speed and control. I think that Framer is the best out of all of them simply because of all the features that you can get, and of course, it is always updated. And that's what happened when I tried 4 AI website builders. Now, all you have to do is to try them for yourself and determine which one actually works best for you.